Hello everyone, hope you're safe at home and maintaining social distancing. So are we ready to be self-reliant? That is Atmanirbhar. Let's decide today that we will buy only those products which are made in India. We will go vocal for local. See, जब हम local brands के products buy करते हैं तो उनका demand बढ़ता है and this is how we can convert our local brand or local shop into the global one. So this is the opportunity to save the economy. So go vocal for local, buy only local products. See, the world has completely changed. You can define two different terms, one pre-corona period and the other one post-corona period. So it's time to reinvent yourself. Economy has completely changed. So I have listed down few areas that will help you to build, to grow. So number one, counseling. By counseling, I mean all type of counseling. It can be a chartered accountant related counseling where you're helping an entity to grow or to build. It can be company secretary related counseling like helping the companies in various compliances. It can be health service related. As you see, the amount of tension or depression has increased among the people. So they are running to a psychiatrist for counseling sessions. So that is also gonna increase. In short, medical services as well as counseling, these two areas will increase. Number two, digital products like information related products or digital marketing. Digital marketing has replaced the traditional old way of marketing, but after Corona, that thinking, that level of promotion or advertisement will increase more. So digital marketing is also one area where you can grow. Number three, stock market investing. The market has crashed down and the prices of stocks have gradually decreased. So it is the right time to invest. Study. If you think a particular area, sector is gonna flourish after COVID-19, start investing in it. Spend some time in understanding the stock market concept and learning it. Number four is gig economy. I'll explain you this with an example. Now, instead of buying a car, people will prefer renting it. So if I want to go from place A to B, instead of owning a car, I'll rent it. I'll use Uber or Ola. So now, this concept has completely changed. Gig economy is where you pay for a particular task, a small task. So you can find such ways where you can help users or entities in performing their functions and you can provide a unique service. So such an economy concept is going to develop. So find a way where you can help people. Number five, gaming. If you see, people have started spending a lot of time on games also as an entertainment source because they cannot go out. And also the number of minutes or hours they're spending on social sites have increased. So if you have any such ideas, start developing it. Develop apps or gaming or any entertainment thing for people which they can use it at home. Number six, use of alternate energy. Now we have understood the importance of nature. So people are shifting towards solar energy, wind energy. So if you are into a dealership of solar products or into a manufacturing of solar products, you can keep on developing it because the demand is surely gonna increase. Number seven, gymming. We have read in the newspaper that various gyms have closed and one of the gym has filed for bankruptcy. So it is the time when you will find a place to gym. That is, you will see your home as a safe place to gym. So people will buy gymming products for their home and that's why the demand of gymming product is going to increase. So you can look into that business. Number 8, insurance business. The demand of insurance business is also going to increase. Number 9, data sciences like artificial intelligence, robotics. So if you are into that, then you can improve your skills, you can improve your research into it. So these were few of the ways where you can build yourself, you can reinvent yourself and help the economy in growing. Our government has come up with various measures, schemes, incentives to support the economy. Our Honorable Prime Minister has announced a stimulus package of 20 lakh crores, that is 10% of GDP. There are also various income tax related relaxation, that is reduction in TDS rates for non-salaried payments as well as TCS rates by 25%. Income tax due date have been extended. If there's a refund of non-corporate entity or charitable fund, that charitable trust, that will be released immediately. There are other exemption schemes also for poor, needy. To sum up, government is helping you on all the way possible to help the economy grow. Now it is our duty to save the nation. It is our duty to fight against Corona and help our economy grow. So let's stand together, reinvent ourselves, build ourselves and help the economy. So this Monday, decide what you're gonna do after post-COVID, after COVID-19 and yes, do it. All the best, you can do it. Thank you. For any help query doubt session, I'm always there. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. All the best. Bye. Take care.